This site can't be reached on Windows 11. So if you want to solve this site can't be reached issue on Windows 11, it's not a problem with Windows, or sometimes it could be the issue with the internet. So make sure your internet is working just fine. But if other websites are working, if one of the website is only not working, then the problem is actually with the website. Maybe it is banned in your region. That could be the reason why you're not being able to access that site, or maybe that site got shut down. Now, the couple of ways to fix this probably could be to go to the three dots option from the top right and navigate to settings. Then go to privacy and security and go to delete browsing data. Select cache images and files and click on the delete data option and just try to reload it. But if it's not working, you might want to check whether that particular site is available in your region or not, or maybe that your internet could sometimes be slow. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end. And as always, see you soon in our next video.